Are you struggling with an orthopedic condition that's causing you discomfort or limiting your mobility? Perhaps you've been searching for a solution that aligns with the body's natural healing processes, a solution that is not only safe and effective, but also suitable for all ages. But what if there was a natural solution to your orthopedic concerns? Introducing Homeomart's range of homeopathic medicines for orthopedic healing. These aren't your typical treatments. Each product is meticulously formulated with nature's ingredients, offering a unique blend of homeopathic care designed to cater to a myriad of orthopedic conditions. From drops to tablets, creams to ointments, our range is designed to support your body's natural healing processes. These remedies provide not only relief from discomfort, but also aid in recovery, ensuring you're getting the most holistic care possible. And it's not just about relief, it's also about recovery. Whether you need drops, tablets, or creams, Homeomart has got you covered. Homeomart offers a comprehensive range of homeopathy medicines specially formulated for orthopedic healing. Each product is designed to cater to various orthopedic conditions, providing relief and aiding in recovery. The treatments are thoughtfully designed to support your body's natural healing processes. They offer a more natural approach to orthopedic care, making them safe and effective options for all ages. Choose the kind of treatment that suits your lifestyle and comfort. So why wait? Take the first step towards natural orthopedic care today. Embrace the safe, effective, and comprehensive range of homeopathy treatments designed to support your body's innate healing processes. From tablets and drops to creams, Homeomart offers a natural approach for all ages. Experience the power of nature with Homeomart's orthopedic treatment range. Your journey to natural orthopedic health starts here.